This is Earth.
And this is the sun.
Dad, how big is the sun?
That is a very big question, Anna.
How big is the sun? Let me think about this.
How big is the sun? Bigger than Earth? A house? A city? A country?
See this orange, Anna? In the light, it glows.
The sun is like this orange, but much bigger.
The sun is up there, very, very far away.
I can see it. It is very bright. Light takes 8 minutes to reach us.
What? 8 minutes?
Light moves like this, very, very fast. I am the light. Whoosh! I am going to the sun. Oh, whoa! I am okay. The light fell down. Classic Jack.
Wait, what if the sun disappeared?
That is a great question, Anna. We will find out soon, I promise.
So, the sun is very far, and it is very big. How big? Let us find out.
Yes, I want to know exactly how big. But wait, one more question. Is our sun the biggest star?
Okay, outside everyone, science time.
Yes, outside. Come on, Anna.
This marble is Earth, our home, small and beautiful.
Now, what is big enough to represent the sun? The house. If Earth is a marble, the sun is as big as our house.
Whoa.
It is very far.
The sun is this much bigger than Earth.
The marble is Earth. The house is the sun. Do you understand, Anna?
Yes, Mommy. Earth is the marble. The sun is a whole house. Whoa! Oh, Jack.
Marble, Earth. Tennis ball, Venus. Basketball, Jupiter.
And this is Venus?
This marble is Earth. This whole marble is our whole world. We are so small.
So, how many marbles fit inside our house?
1, 2, 100, 1,000, more?
Try. 1 million.
Yes, 1,300,000 Earths, to be exact.
The sun is 1 million times bigger than Earth. That is amazing.
But how many exactly? Let us find out. Okay, team, classroom mode. Sit down, Jack.
I am sitting, see? Sitting.
This is our Earth. Beautiful, yes? And very, very small.
And this is our sun.
I am the Earth, going around the sun.
But how many Earths fit inside? Exactly.
Small Earth, huge sun. Look at the difference. Can you see it? 1 Earth inside, 10 Earths, 100 Earths, 1,000 Earths, 100,000, and 1 million.
1 million Earths?
Jack, are you okay?
Actually, 1.3 million Earths fit inside the sun, to be precise.
So, the answer is 1 million. Loop closed.
Volume is how much space is inside, and the sun has enormous space inside. One marble, 1 million times smaller than the sun. This whole marble is our whole world.
Sun, star, big, hot, far, light,
million,
million,
billion,
billion.
amazing.
1, 2, 3. Wait!
But here is something interesting. Our sun is actually a medium-sized star.
Medium? It looks huge to us.
It looks huge because it is close to us. Distance changes everything.
Look, the distance between Earth and Sun is enormous.
Sun, star, big, far, light, million, hot, energy.
Hello, Brown family. I heard you need a science expert. Ready to learn about the sun? I have brought my science bag. First, let us talk about temperature. The surface of the sun is 5,500 degrees Celsius. Iron melts, rock melts, metal melts, everything melts. This candle, 600 degrees. Hot, yes? The sun is 9 times hotter.
This candle, 600 degrees. Hot, yes? The sun is 9 times hotter.
I am imagining iron melting like butter on a hot day, but much, much hotter.
The core of the sun, 15 million degrees.
I need the fridge. I need it right now.
Cindy, how does the sun burn for so long?
The sun uses hydrogen gas as fuel. It burns hydrogen to make energy. And this solar panel, it captures the sun's energy, just like our skin feels warmth. The sun's energy travels 150 million kilometers to reach us.
8 minutes! The light takes 8 minutes to reach us from Act 1.
You remembered from the beginning. The surface of the sun, 5,500 degrees, churning, blazing, alive.
The sun is a giant ball of burning gas. It gives Earth light, heat, and life.
And everything we see, every green plant, every warm day, it all starts with the sun.
Thank you, Cindy. That was very informative.
Goodbye, Brown family. Keep discovering.
Let us see the sun at work.
See? The sunflower always faces the sun. It needs that light. Plants take the sun's light and turn it into food. We call this photosynthesis.
Sorry, little plant. This is science.
Without the sun, every plant dies. Every animal dies. Everything dies.
Cold. So cold. No sun. Everything is freezing.
Without the sun, Earth freezes in just a few weeks.
Without the sun, darkness. Without the sun, cold. Without the sun, no life.
Now you know, we need the sun for everything.
Jack, you are so dramatic.
Earth travels around the sun. This side, summer. This side, winter.
Summer is when we face the sun. I knew it.
Winter snowball, attack!
Day facing the sun, night facing away. Simple.
Look, a bird. And a dog. The sun makes shadows.
Plants use the sun. Animals eat plants. We eat both. It all starts with the sun. I drew everything we learned today.
Quiz time. What do plants need to grow?
Sunlight. Yes!
The sun gives us everything.
Shall we watch the stars tonight?
Perfect night for stargazing.
There, the first star.
Every single star up there is a sun, just like our sun.
Some of those stars are even bigger than our sun.
So our sun is medium size. I understand now.
But what is the biggest star in the universe? I want to go there, to the biggest star.
Jack, sit down.
Sun, star, big, hot, far. 8 minutes, 1 million. Energy, life. Our sun is one of 200 billion stars in our galaxy alone.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Jack, you will be counting forever.
The sun is amazing, and so are you for learning today.
Let us review. Sun, star, hot, far, million. Energy, life.
What are stars made of? Are they really burning?
Great question, Jack. That is our next discovery, what they are made of.